Okie dokie, we're ready for another project. First thing I want you to do is instance apart. Then I want you to wait 3 seconds and then make the transparency to 25%. Then I want you to wait another 3 seconds and name the part to friend. And then I want you to wait another 3 seconds and I want you to make the part purple using whichever method you like, the color or the brick color. Then, and you know what, I'm just going to copy and paste this at this point. Wait 3 seconds. Then I want you to change the material to something pretty. And then I want you to wait 10 seconds actually. And why do I want you to wait 10 seconds this time? Because I want to give you enough time to cry. So, because you won't be seeing your friend soon. Because the last thing I want you to do is set the can collide to false. So I want you to do all these things, pause the video and try it yourself, and I'll show you my solution to it. So if I were you working on this, I would use control slash so I could comment all this out single line, and then I already have my sections labeled and I know what I have to do. For example, in this part, I need an instance apart, new part, and we're just going to put that in workspace. And like I told you before, you always should make it into a variable. We can just name it part. That's a nice, easy thing to do. We're going to wait 3 seconds. And I'm going to be doing this a lot, so I'm just going to copy and paste this. And now next thing is to change the transparency to part. All you have to do is part.transparency equals 0.25 or 25%. Again, wait 3 seconds, task.wait, and then we're going to name the part friend. So part.name equals friend. And then 3 seconds. Now we're going to change the part's color to purple. So part.color. I don't really know what purple colors they have, or I'm going to just use a brick color so I don't have to figure out the RGB value. I guess plum is fine. Let's make it brick color. Brick color.new plum. And wait 3 seconds. And now we're going to change the part's material to something pretty. Dot material equals enum dot material dot, I don't know what's pretty. Concrete? Sure, why not? Now I'm going to wait 10 seconds so we can cry. And yes, you have to cry or else you fail the project. Then part can't collide. I'm going to set that equal to false. And that's all it takes, man. So the part gets made. Change the name to friend. Change the color. Change the material. There we go. I hope you cried.